in straight lines, as we have already discussed formulas of straight lines, no need of following textbook because lot of syllabus has been reduced. From the reduced syllabus, whatever questions are there which will do, that you can write in serial order, that you can revise for exams. Now straight lines has first question. I am having this one: find the area of triangle formed by the straight line. By seeing this question, you have to immediately remember the formula which I have given to you. What formula I have given to you for straight line with coordinate axis? This is the case. We need to find this area. So for that, I have given you first given equation you can write, or given line. This is linear line equation. 1x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0, from which a is equals to coefficient of x, b is equals to coefficient of y along with sign, and c is equals to constant of area equals to c square by 2 mod ab. C square 2 square by 2 into 1 into minus 4. 2 square is 4 by 2 into minus 4. So this is 4 by 2 into 4. Modulus of any negative value is positive. So 4 1 times cancelled. So we got 1 by 2 square units. This is area of triangle. Okay. We need to find area of triangle formed by straight line. What we will do? First we will write given line. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha. P comes to left side, minus p equal to 0. This implies a equals to coefficient of x. Whatever x coefficient means, whatever multiple of x, that is a. Whatever multiple of b, multiple of y, that is b, and the remaining thing is c. Minus b along with sign you can write. Then we have to write area of triangle. C square by 2 mod ab. C square divided by 2 into mod ab. Cos alpha into sin alpha. So p square as it is 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Those who don't know trigonometry, they can leave it up to this mark, or else p square by 2 sin alpha cos alpha, 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a. You can leave it here, or else you can do one more thing. 1 by sin, sin comes to the numerator, becomes cosecant. See, if you have not done trigonometry, then leave the answer here. This is area. Area is also represented by letter delta. If the area of triangle formed by straight line x is equals to 0, y is equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y equals to 1 is 6, Find the value of A. Question is quite different. See what they have given. X is equals to 0 and y is equal to 0 means this one, coordinate axis. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. These two lines are, coordinate axis lines are also known as x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Then one line is there. So same thing. But here area is given to us. If the area of the triangle is 6. So first what you have to write? You have to write given line. What is the given line? 3x plus 4y is equal to 1. So 1 we have to take to left side. So we have a value here, b value is there and c value is there. Once we have a, b, c values, what is given to us? One more thing they have given. Area is 6. Given area is equals to 6. Here we have to do, we have to write area formula on the left side, equate it with 6. Okay, this thing you need to remember. C square minus 1 square by 2 into mod AB equals to 6. So here one change is there. Here is equals to A is there. So minus A square is A square now. Negative value 2 times multiplied A square. 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24 is equals to 6. A square is equals to 6 into 24. 144. A is equals to plus or minus root 144. So we got the value of A. How to get the value of A? If line is given to us, here A is there, A is minus A, then A, B, C values. Area equals to 6 is given to us. You have to read out 2-3 times, you will get that one. Area is 6 given. From the line, we can get A, B, C values. And from the area, you can have the formula and area both written opposite to each other. Formula equal. Because area is mentioned given here, formula should be equated with the area. To find distance between parallel lines, you have to first make first two terms equal. That means this is 10. You have to make this one also 10. Big value is 10, so we can make this one. How we can make this one 10? 5 is multiplied to 2 becomes 10. So we have to multiply this whole equation by 2. We'll do whenever parallel lines are given, we'll form that equal lines. So given lines I'll write 5 2s are 10x, 3 2s are 6y, 4 2s are 8 equals to 0 into 2 0. This is first line. Second line 10x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Whenever parallel lines are given to us, what we'll do for parallel lines? Their first two terms should be in proportion, or we can make it equal so that we can have that formula. What is the formula of distance between parallel lines? Before writing formula, first 10 and 10. So A is equals to 10. Minus 6 and minus 6. So B is equals to minus 6. Two different values. So C1 and C2. In parallel lines, A and B should be equal. That's the reason we have multiplied this one by 10. Suppose if we have 20 here, 28. So what we used to do? 5 into 4 we have to do. We have to multiply all the values by 4 if 20 is given to us. Because 10 is given, 5 we can make 10 by multiplying 2. So the whole equation to be multiplied by 2. Now, once we have this value, distance between parallel lines we will write. C1 minus C2 by root over a square plus b square. I think I have given you this formula also. How to get the values is important. You have to remember how we parallel lines are given, what we have done. Then from where we got a, b, c1, c2. By at the time of substitution we can get this one. C1 minus C2. C1 is minus 8. Minus C2 means minus of minus 9 plus 9. Divided by root over a square plus b square. B square in bracket. So this is 1 by root 100 plus 36. 1 by root 136. Equation of straight line passing through the points they have given. 2 points. Find the equation of straight line. Now you have to search the formulas. Equation of line when 2 points are given. What is that equation of line? Many equations I have given. From that equation of line of 2 points. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the formula. Why we are using this formula? You have to learn the list of the formulas. From that list, you can find when equation of line and 2 points are mentioned to you. That time we will use this one. x1, y1 will take to first point, x2, y2 for the second point. Only x1, y1, x2, y2 should be substituted. X and y remain same here. Y same. Minus y1. X same minus x1. y2 minus y1. By x2 minus x1. To a common. A common. A square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. These two cancel. So remaining values we write here. By cross multiplication, multiply in such a way that x should come on left side. Two x minus 2a t1 square. Don't multiply y. Multiply these constants. Take all the terms to left side. Y into t2 plus t1 plus 2a t1 t2 plus 2a t1 square equals to 0. Minus 2 t1 square plus 2 t1 square cancelled. 2x minus y t2 plus t1 plus 2a t1 t2 equals to 0. By seeing the question passing through points given, 2 points are given. So equation of line formula you have to write 2 points formula, then x1 y1 x2 y2 you have to substitute, cancel, cross multiply, expand this, then practice 2-3 times, you will get it. Remaining problems in next class.